There is something so special about stepping out into your own backyard and gathering fresh vegetables for dinner. If you are just starting your gardening journey, I want to let you in on a little secret. Zucchini is the perfect plant to begin with. It is one of the most rewarding vegetables you can grow, and it does not ask for much in return. Zucchini grows quickly, so you will not have to wait long to see the fruits of your labor. This quick turnaround is so encouraging, especially for new gardeners. It builds that wonderful confidence that makes you want to keep digging in the dirt and trying new things. It is a joy that truly grows. One of the best things about zucchini is just how much it produces. People often joke about having so much zucchini they have to leave it on their neighbors' doorsteps, and it is true. A few healthy plants can give you a steady supply all summer long. To get that amazing harvest, we need to give our zucchini plants a happy home right from the start. First, let us talk about timing. Zucchini loves warm weather, so you will want to wait until all danger of frost has passed before you plant your seeds in the ground. For most of us in the USA, this is usually in late spring, around May. A good rule of thumb is to wait about 1 to 2 weeks after your last expected frost date. This patience ensures the soil is warm enough for the seeds to wake up and start their journey. It is all about giving them that cozy, warm welcome into the world. Next up is finding the perfect spot. Zucchini plants are sun worshippers, so you need to choose a location in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Think of the sun as the energy source that fuels all that incredible growth. The more sun they get, the happier and more productive your plants will be. Also, make sure the spot you choose has good air circulation. This helps keep the leaves dry and prevents common problems later on, which is a simple step we can take now to ensure healthier plants all season long. Once your little seedlings have sprouted, our job is to nurture them as they grow. Consistent watering is one of the most important things you can do. Zucchini plants are thirsty, and their big leaves can lose a lot of moisture on a hot day. Aim to give them a deep watering of about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. It is much better to water deeply once or twice a week than to give them a light sprinkle every day. Try to water the base of the plant, right at the soil level, and avoid getting the leaves wet. This simple trick helps prevent diseases like powdery mildew from taking hold. A layer of mulch is like a cozy blanket for your garden soil. I love using natural mulch like straw, shredded leaves, wood chips. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer around your plants. It helps keep the soil moist and reduces how often you need to water. It also keeps the weeds down, meaning less work and less competition for your zucchinis. As the mulch breaks down, it adds nutrients back to the soil, building a healthy ecosystem. It is a simple step that makes a huge difference. This is the moment we have been waiting for, the harvest. Knowing when to pick your zucchini is key to getting the best flavor and texture. You do not want to let them get too big. The ideal size for most zucchini varieties is about 6 to 8 inches long. At this stage, they are incredibly tender, the skin is thin, and the seeds inside are small and soft. If you let them grow into giant baseball bats, they can become watery and full of tough seeds. So, check your plants every day, because they can grow from tiny to perfect, almost overnight. When you find a zucchini that is the perfect size, it is time to harvest it. You will want to use a sharp knife or a pair of pruning shears. Trying to twist or pull the fruit off can damage the main stem of the plant. Simply cut the stem about 1 to 2 inches from the zucchini itself. A clean cut is a healthy cut and helps the plant heal quickly, so it can focus its energy on producing more fruit for you. This simple, gentle process respects the plant and ensures it stays healthy and productive for weeks to come.